Chris Donohue, physical therapist here at Premier Orthopaedics today, giving you some orthopedic tips for your quarantine experience. I hope everyone is staying safe and maintaining social distance. And this is an exercise you can do at home to improve your posture and make sure you have good orthopedic health. So, as we sit and we watch Netflix and we watch Tiger King and all the movies we've missed out on over the last few years because of our busy lives, we end up in this posture. So that posture causes our pecs to shorten. And so then when we stand up, we can't get back out because these muscles are really tight. We can't get into a good posture. So what we're going to do is help stretch out those pecs. So find a doorway or a wall and stand on up from your seated position. We're gonna have you lift your arm up to about shoulder height and step through so that you feel a stretch in the front of your chest. You shouldn't feel any pain or discomfort in the shoulder or elbow, or anywhere for that matter. So we'll do about 3 holds of 30 seconds and then switch and do it on the other side. If you have a doorway, you can do both. So this is something you can do kind of a few times throughout the day, just so that you combat that poor posture while you're sitting at home eating some delicious food, watching Netflix. All right, thank you.